Hello, I'm back at yesteryear. I'm back in Pennsylvania. I am exhausted. We had a lot of fun surprising Jocelyn yesterday, but today is back to the grind. I'm preparing to take a really long trip to Florida, so I'm going to be kind of selective about what I get. In the meantime, I'm meeting up with my friend Susan from Two Glassy Sisters, so let's go in and see what she's got. Now, I did get a tip that these vendors came and restocked the other day. Oh my gosh, look at the mannequin head. What? Wow, I'm gonna have some fun going through this. Wow, look at that. Early vintage, unique spittoon, detailed pipe and cigarette. That is very cool. Let's see. Cat salt and pepper shakers. Oh my gosh, the little poodle. I love that. No way, the shopper girl. I'll have to grab that. Oh, and then there's another fish with a bubble. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have fun going through this. I gotta find Susan. Where is she at? That bird?
No, the bird's broken.
The bird's broken.
But I like the bowl next to it, the purple bowl.
Ah, see, I like the bird.
Yeah, but the bird's broken.
So am I. All right.
Not a bad price.
Well, the rule is you get first dibs over everything except for that shopper girl, because I already said I was going to buy it. The shopper girl. Susan said, what is the shopper girl? This is the shopper girl.
Oh, she's adorable.
She's $44.
She's amazing.
And 30% off.
I love her. I like the muff.
And yes, we all love a muff. This is a very good deal. I know it seems spendy, but it's not. So we're gonna take that. What you looking at? Kokeshi?
Kokoshi's?
Yeah.
And this might be Italian, but I'm not sure.
I think it's Joseph Originals.
Is it?
No, Norcrest.
No,
Just
so
kidding.
it's a Japanese one.
I'm just
It's a
kidding.
Japanese one. I can't.
I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
I'm just gonna start naming things that it's not.
I'm gonna get these two pretty girls.
Kokeshi?
Kokeshi. I have
There you
tons
go.
of Kokeshi. These
You
are
have
nice
tons of Kokeshi.
ones. I do.
Ugh, of course you do.
What do you mean? I like them. I have a
I
penchant-
love
I have a
Kokeshi.
penchant for them.
Uh,
Cool too, these little.
what about this one?
Oh, those are beautiful too. How much is she? She's fabulous. too.
She's 24 and
She's a good price,
30%.
too. These are all good. I might take them all.
You might take them all.
I might.
Well, you
Look at
better
this
hurry
little-
up.
Look at this little. Do you want some?
You better
of them?
take them.
If you want some of them, take
I want
them.
this one.
Take that.
This
Let's
one's
take it.
speaking to me.
All right.
It
Good.
looks how I feel right now.
Half asleep.
Half asleep with a little glitter and a top bun.
Oh, that's good.
That's how I feel.
I like this guy with the guitar, the bottle opener. I think
Yes.
He's pretty hilarious.
He is. I have one like that, and I still have the bottle opener packed somewhere.
Pretty paperweight that I.
You saw a pretty paperweight?
I thought I did.
Do you want to put these in my basket, and then we can divvy it up?
That cold.
You did?
I did.
I just traded
I just won it
Jocelyn.
in an auction.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Over at,
Yeah.
what else do we have in here?
There's Wedgwood Queensware, the lighter, the table lighter. That's Aurifors. I swear I saw something I wanted to pull out.
Was it this one?
No, I mean that's pretty, but that wasn't. I thought
Yeah.
I saw something.
Was it this shiny egg back there?
It was not the egg. I did see a different.
I'm just gonna name every single paperweight
Until
in
I
here.
say yes.
Was it this blue one?
No.
Good, because I don't like that one.
That's not the one I wanted. Maybe it was in another case and I thought I saw it.
Yeah, I think we're done with this case.
No, there, I found it.
You found it? Which one was
It
it?
is an egg, but it's in the
It is an egg. I'm
And I like
curious.
Eggs around Easter
It was the
time.
lemon, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's the lemon.
I know
get
you
back
so
to you on that
well.
one.
I
Good
know
to
you
know.
so well. That's it. That's what I just said.
No, you said
The shiny one in the
I thought you
bag.
wanted that one.
No, I don't like that one. That
This
one's
is-
nice.
It's okay.
Iridescent.
It's pretty, but I think it's pretty common. So I'm gonna pass. It is pretty, and I'll put the tags of people
now.
Sand dollars.
Sand dollars.
They're a little spendy though, but I think they're pretty.
I like the green one.
I like them both. They're 17 a piece.
And 30% off. I'm not like a beachy person.
I'm not either.
I'm a city
but
girl.
People, I know, but people are beachy, and I think this is like elegant beach as opposed to cheesy beach.
That's true. I really like the color of this one.
That's funny. I like the blue one more.
I'm not a blue person, really.
That's my favorite.
I know, but I do like those blue candlesticks back
Those
there.
are beautiful. That's not a bad price.
Yeah, they're pretty neat.
They're beautiful. I like the shape. They're sexy, and I think you can do them different
They are
ways. I think
sexy,
you can
aren't
flip
they?
'em. I think you can flip them. I'm not 100% sure, but I think these can be flipped and done to me. Ooh, they're heavy.
Yeah, they are very heavy. I picked them up before, I'm not going to lie.
Oh, because I think you could actually do them either way. Kind of make it like, not sure.
I'm not sure about that.
I mean, I'm always about the way, repurposing things the way they were originally
I like that. It's
intended.
creative. I like this ashtray. I don't need that today. Ooh, Susan.
What do you say?
Sleeping.
Am I sleeping?
Susan is sleeping.
I'm having a tough day at the office.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah, that's you. That's a cool sculpt.
Vintage artist signed metal mushrooms.
Those are awesome. How much is those? Are those bad boys?
$23, 30% sold. All right, we're on to our next case. That is neat, isn't that?
It is neat.
That caught my eye.
Of course it
Looks
is. It's
very
French.
expensive. Oh, that's why. I was just gonna say it looks expensive.
It is expensive.
It's because it's
20.
French.
It's not terrible,
No,
but it's really cool.
no, that's really neat.
That is cool. I don't want to mess up the price tags. Let's put the price tag back. There we go. Whoa. Can't take me anywhere.
It's okay. I like the cowboy hat. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to but I can't focus on anything else other than this case. This is a targeted ad.
No, but look at the little fuzzy pup.
Fuzzy Pup?
The fuzzy pup. I think it's a puppy.
Oh yeah, that's
It's
a good
super
one.
cute.
This little poodle.
Oh my god, that's for the little taper.
I
Oh,
know.
that is cute.
That is adorable. What are these dice you're about to step on?
No, I'm not stepping. I know. I think they're plastic.
Plastic dice? Vintage large black and white dice. Well, if that's not targeted, I don't know what is. That's very neat. What do they say? Kind of seems like me. I'll take that. Oh, look at this postcard. Daisies galore, but you're the only real Daisy for me. Wow. Oh, you Daisy. That's
What year is
amazing.
that from?
Old.
You see from Postmarket all or no?
1912, perhaps?
That's cool.
Oops-a-daisy.
I didn't step on anything.
No, I know.
Oh.
Look at you.
She's $20. Angel holding Greekstone.
I want this lady with the cat.
Are you gonna go crazy for the? Isn't that a Miller?
Uh-huh. I already was on that. That's amazing. Vintage. Oh, man, this is cool. And she's got a cat. Perfect for my
Good
cat
balance.
sale. Super cute.
That's not.
do want
I don't
this
want that one.
fish.
You want that one.
I do want this fish.
I gotta stay with what my
32.
buy.
Let me do the math on that. It's kind of crazy to even
I can't
think
believe you
about
never
it.
got that fuzzy pup.
Wow.
What?
All right, it comes to like $22. I'm gonna take it.
Look at this bird on it.
Whoa, that is really pretty.
She's amazing.
Yeah, it's super
Original
fragile.
something, but I don't know. What is that? Original what?
I have no
Schmid?
idea. I was just gonna make something up. I'm gonna run with it. Comes with the bubble. Oh, that's what I was looking at. I was trying to remember what I was looking at. I really like this dish and this little trinket box, but I was looking at the cats. Let's see. 30%. That's not too bad. Let me do the math on that. I don't know. These ones are strange to me because sometimes they sell really well and sometimes they kind of flop. They're usually pretty spendy when I see them out. I think I'm going to leave them behind, as crazy as that is. If it's meant to be next time, it will be. But I also can't help but notice this little Santa. That is so cute. Susan, what you got?
Not sure. I mean, I know what I have. They're chrome dice and salt and pepper.
Dice are hot. And there's just two things in here I want to take a second look at. One is this geode. Dude, I kind of want to get this geode. Is it weird if I get a geode? I've never bought and sold a geode.
I think that one's really pretty.
I think it's really pretty
They
too.
have stands if you need stands.
What am I going to do with a stand?
Sell it with the stand.
I don't
Does
know.
it stand on its own? You might not need it.
You don't need it. It's got a bottom that you just put it down like a paperweight. I'm kind of into it.
It's pretty.
I think I'll take it. My first rock.
Your first rock?
Kate's first rock.
Rocks and dice.
Yeah.
You did get the Miller.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. I did see her. I knew that was going to be for you.
And the
I
last
just knew
thing,
it.
the last thing is this, unless you want this.
No, I'm not going to say. It is cool.
It's very cool.
It is a very cool mortar.
I can't say no to the French. It's a
beautiful
problem.
in that blue. It's like
And it feels like butter. It does. It feels like butter. Yeah.
It's a beautiful piece.
That's it for me.
Can we close it up?
Yeah, let's
Close
do
it up
it.
shop.
Close up shop.